Itulog mo yan. Ako si Risa Singson Kaupeng, book author at editor. Magkapet pandasal muna tayo. Recently, I got a forwarded text saying loss of sleep as you age is okay because no one dies of insomnia. Tama nga naman. Wala pa tayong narinig na namatay dahil kulang siya sa tulog. That's why we underestimate the importance of sleep. Itong palagi nating sinasakripisyo dahil pinaprioritize natin ang ating trabaho, ang gimmick sa gabi, o walang katapusang pag-social media. But sleeping, especially at the right time, which is around 10 p.m., is crucial to our health. Sabi ng health experts that an hour of sleep before midnight is equal to 2 hours. And getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night allows our bodies to heal and regenerate. Napaka-importante ang pagpapahinga. Isipin mo, even God rested on the seventh day after He created the whole universe. Tayo pa kaya? May nagsabi na he who sleeps well, prays well. He who sleeps well, works well. Kung gusto natin ng buhay na lubos at kasiyasiya, kailangan natin ng tamang pagtulog. Tayo magdasal. Lord, let your Spirit speak to my mind and heart while I am asleep, so that when I wake up in the morning, I may find that I have received in the nighttime light for my way, strength for my tasks, peace for my worries. Amen.